operations. That is, let us make this one 0. So R2 implies R2 minus R1 and R3 implies R3 minus R1. Then we will get first row is same, then delta is equal to 1A B C. Then second row becomes R2 minus R1. So this is 0. Then here we will get B minus A. Then here C A minus BC. That is, we can take the C outside, then here we will get A minus B. So C into A minus B, then here 0, then C minus A, then here we will get AB minus BC. That is, B we can take out, then A minus C. So here B into A minus C.